Well, I'm going to be trying the RidABull Engine Degreaser. Stuff's made for like semis and stuff. So I'm hoping it'll eat this stuff right off of here. Soak this down, let it sit, and then I got at least half hour rolling hoses out, getting the pressure washer fired up. I'm sure it'll need a carb clean, and it'll be out of gas, and you know, the usual. Oh yeah, this is eating stuff off right away. Look at that. It's like I'm painting the valve cover, essentially. Wonder if I should just... Got 3 cams. Should I put it all on, or just put one on and wait? This is weed control. That's what we're doing. This would be a good week, though. You can try that. Here, there. Again, we're not worried about getting liquids or degreaser or anything inside the engine. We're tearing it all apart today anyway. All of it's going to be... Whoa! Is that what it's supposed to do? What happened? That was really foamy. Huh. Weird.